Protein synthesis inhibitors, a comprehensive overview. 1. Introduction. Protein synthesis inhibitors are antimicrobial agents that disrupt the process of protein production in bacteria, primarily targeting ribosomes. This selective toxicity leverages structural differences between bacterial 70S and eukaryotic 80S ribosomes, making them effective antibiotics with minimal host harm. However, mitochondrial ribosomes 70S in humans can sometimes be affected, leading to side effects. 2. Bacterial versus eukaryotic ribosomes. Bacterial ribosomes 70S, 30S plus 50S subunits. Eukaryotic ribosomes 80S, 40S plus 60S subunits. Mitochondrial ribosomes resemble bacterial 70S, explaining some drug toxicities. 3. Classification by target subunit. A. 30S subunit inhibitors. Tetracyclines, for example, doxycycline, minocycline. Mechanism: block TRNA binding to the A site. Use: acne, chlamydia, Lyme disease. Resistance: efflux pumps, ribosomal protection. Toxicity: teeth discoloration in children, contraindicated in pregnancy. Aminoglycosides, for example, gentamicin, amikacin. Mechanism: cause mRNA misreading and inhibit translocation. Use: severe gram-negative infections. Resistance: enzymatic modification, acetyltransferases. Toxicity: nephrotoxicity, ototoxicity. B. 50S subunit inhibitors. Macrolides, for example, erythromycin, azithromycin. Mechanism: block the peptide exit tunnel. Use: respiratory infections, penicillin allergic patients. Resistance: methylation of RNA, armogenes, efflux pumps. Toxicity: GI distress, QT prolongation. Chloramphenicol. Mechanism: inhibits peptidyl transferase. Use: restricted to topical applications, for example, eye infections. Resistance: acetyltransferases. Toxicity: aplastic anemia, gray baby syndrome. Lincosamides, for example, clindamycin. Mechanism: similar to macrolides. Use: anaerobic infections, skin/soft tissue infections. Toxicity: C. difficile colitis. Oxazolidinones, for example, linezolid. Mechanism: prevent initiation complex formation. Use: MRSA, VRE. Resistance: mutations in 23S RNA. Toxicity: myelosuppression, long-term use. Streptogramins, for example, quinupristin/dalfopristin. Mechanism: synergistic inhibition of elongation. Use: resistant gram-positive infections. 4. Resistance mechanisms. Target modification, ribosomal mutations or methylation. Enzymatic inactivation, acetylation, phosphorylation. Efflux pumps, enhanced drug expulsion. 5. Clinical considerations. Bacteriostatic versus bactericidal. Static: tetracyclines, macrolides. Cidal: aminoglycosides, linezolid, concentration dependent. Mitochondrial toxicity: chloramphenicol affects bone marrow mitochondria. 6. Other inhibitors. Mupirocin inhibits isoleosulfona synthetase, topical use. Fusidic acid targets elongation factor G, skin infections. 7. Conclusion. Protein synthesis inhibitors are vital antibiotics with targeted mechanisms. Understanding their classification, mechanisms, and resistance profiles is crucial for effective clinical use while minimizing toxicity. Their development underscores the importance of ribosomal structure differences in drug design.